probably know that I love all things art, from painting to music to literature and to handmade crafts. Here I am preparing for a pop-up at my old school where I will showcase my handmade crafts, which is handmade jewelries, necklaces, and I even set up a custom jewelry bar so that people can design their own jewelries. I'm with my cousin that also does handmade crafts, and hers is crocheting, and here we are on the way to the venue. We're here. This event is like a week long, and this is the first day. As you can see, my mom's helping me out since she actually doesn't want to leave me alone, but she has to go to work. So she's helping us setting up for now. And here's our display. We're done setting up. Day 2. This is us setting up our booth for the second day, and I'm just like preparing the displays for the customized charms, and she's setting up the crochets. She has crochet headbands and a lot more like keychains, and we even like sell Sony Angel accessories. And yeah, I don't know what to say anymore. So I was just reading since it was still early and a lot of other merchants were also still setting up, but I'm telling you that this book is not to be read in the morning. I love thrillers, but this one is just so...
Anong page na ako? 427.
Lunch break.
Irareview namin yung ng airbag.
Wala na naman. Tara!
Pakita mo muna.
Walang gumagawa.
Dalawa yung video.
Wala na akong pera.
Inat din ko sila. Sarap. Ay!
Our third day. Ano na, ang linaw, super.
Atong dapat.
Guys, 12 a.m. na kaya, and we had to wake up like 5:30 kaya corny. Magre-restock ako ng bracelets kasi naubos na siya kahapon. After this. Nag-breakfast ka today? Okay. And then... Ay, grabe. That's too much. That's bad. I forgot my glasses today. It's at the house kaya. Good luck to me. Not because grabe yung eyesight ko, but because grabe allergies ko. And I need the eyeglasses to shield my eyes from the kundi magkaka-allergic reaction sa eyes ko. I don't know why it's that sensitive. And the sobrang ganda yung blush. This one. I haven't like been able to vlog yung first 2 days kasi nag-a-adjust pa kami. But now, bawi ako is yan. One done. Magawa na ako isa. Hello, we bought lunch. Pero it's 10:30 pa lang. Kasi later, grabe na yung pila. Like, as in, dumi yung tao. Ganda na makeup ko, wala kang filter. Yan. Nothing. Ganda. Ayan. Yes, yang yung how do you make it brighter? Time check, it's 3:30 and people are going home, so we're gonna pack mga 4:30. Wala ang pangit. Ala? Ayun. Day 4 and pray me today. Kaya yung ibang students wala. But okay lang. We're still here. Ayos na ulit kami. While waiting for customers, magbe-braid kami. Ayan. Time check. Anong time na dadas? 10:04 and okay na siya. Wala. Akala namin nagsuspend pero dami pa din people. So yeah. Ilan na. Ubus na yung ano ko. Stock na naman ng bracelets.
그날 흰색깔 입을 건데.
Snack. Lunch.
Ano to? Merlin?
Yep. Shawarma. Para siyang nasa UST. Ang favorite ko yan. So, bumili ako. What the heck? Nung dito ako nag-aaral lang ganito. Kuha kaming freebies. Grabe. Our last day. A day in my life, last day in Mida. Last day na namin. Hi, Ate
Di ba ako
Des.
naka-makeup?
Ay,
Ay, arte.
sorry. Sorry.
Hindi, okay.
A day in my life, sobrang arte in Mida. Pero ayos, because I need to stop last day na. Dami kong dala pala. Stock. Ito may flyers. Saan yung isa kong flyer? Wait lang. Ito. Okay lang. This is me. May katabi ako. Saan ka lang ah? Wala mo. Parin doon. Coffee flavor. So after that hectic week, we're going to celebrate my brother's birthday. And we're at Chili's.
Ni Kuya. We are at Chili's. Say hi, birthday boy.
Hi.
Hi, Mom. Hi.
Picture mo. Hindi, ikaw. Tapos picture mo. Ganun. Stolen lang.